Incredible inventions that will leave you speechless. The majority of inventions improve the world by bridging the gap between what we expect and what is already available. Since the dawn of time, curiosity has pushed people to invent many objects that have both benefited society at the time they were made and inspired the development of numerous other innovations. The next 7 inventions on this list will make you astonished. Subscribe now to step into the future and join the sway with Future Sway. Number 1. XKELET product. XKELET is a custom-fitted orthosis for immobilizing broken bones that uses 3D printing. The damaged limbs are scanned and measured using an iOS smartphone. The data is used to produce a 3D model which may then be customized further in an application. The orthosis is bought online, produced by the manufacturer, and then delivered to the consumer in the following phase. Modern technology is used into the XKELET to create a novel orthosis that rarely limits the user and has a stylish appearance. The program was created by the company in collaboration with medical professionals. It has a very user-friendly app and is designed for usage in fields like traumatology and orthopedics, adding value to the design of every piece produced. XKELET's first and main final product, XCast, aims to lower costs and speed up production while also enhancing patient quality of life. It is a completely unique item that is manufactured to fit each sufferer. This indicates that the injured limb will be immobilized to its fullest extent, hence providing the best support for the fracture to solidify. Number 2. SUNSWIFT 7. Since the first solar-powered vehicle was created in 1996, SUNSWIFT 7 is the most recent model from UNSW. The vehicle set the record time for the distance on the test track at the Australian Automotive Research Centre with a certified time of 11 hours 52.08 minutes. The SUNSWIFT team set a record for the fastest EV over 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. The crew had to deal with a battery management issue that resulted in the car coming to a complete stop, as they reported in a press release. Since the competition's regulations prohibited SUNSWIFT 7 from remaining stationary for longer than 15 minutes, the crew managed to resolve the issue in 14 minutes 52 seconds and resumed their race. With their SUNSWIFT 7, UNSW engineering students aimed to break a Guinness World Record for the quickest solar-powered race car over 1,000 kilometers. It was powered by a battery and solar panels fitted on its roof and hood. The automobile, which was designed and manufactured by students, weighs only 500 kilograms or approximately 1/4 the weight of a Tesla. The crew removed a variety of equipment, including airbags and air conditioning systems, to achieve this light body. Number 3. CAPRA Robotics. Based on the unique chassis of CAPRA Robotics, CAPRA Hircus is a mobile robot that can maneuver outside. It may be utilized for a variety of jobs in both urban and difficult terrain, thanks to its adaptable chassis and powerful engine. It is simple to connect extra equipment to the outdoor robot because it has a direct link to its ROS2 operating system. It is possible to program the robot to automatically go to a certain target using the built-in remote connection. CAPRA was established to offer our clients reliable, cutting-edge mobility for their applications. Modern mobile robots address problems that have plagued the industry for years, including a lack of adaptability, subpar driving abilities, limited ranges, brief operational times, and high cost. Our robots are built on a distinctive, independently created, and patentable wheel frame. The wheel frame is different from earlier wheel frames in that it combines the key aspects of differential and Ackerman steering, maximizing their individual advantages while minimizing their drawbacks. This led to a revolutionary wheel frame with steering that was both accurate and nimble. Are you people still here? Join our channel Future Sway to lend a helping hand right now. Let's move on. Number 4. REGA drone. The so-called Life Seeker sensor is one of many sensors that the drone is equipped with. Even if there is no mobile phone reception in the search region, this mobile phone tracking device can locate a mobile phone with an accuracy of a few meters. The drone is 2.2 meters long, 71 meters high, and has a rotor diameter of 2.2 meters. It is powered by a twin-shaft engine which ensures that even at high altitudes, it has enough power reserves. It weighs about 25 kilograms overall. The drone navigates independently on a predetermined route with meter-level accuracy thanks to multiple high-precision redundant GNSS receivers. At a height of around 80 to 100 meters above sea level, it follows the topography of the terrain. The so-called beyond visual line of sight approach allows the drone to operate when it is not necessary for it to be in visual contact with the operator. In order to accomplish this, the link to the drone must also be kept even when it is not possible to see it immediately. This occurs in the instance of the REGA over the mobile phone network. In an emergency, REGA can use the drone system in addition to a rescue chopper that has been properly outfitted to monitor a missing person's phone in a targeted manner. It accomplishes this on behalf of the accountable police force. Number 5. VRGINEERS Portable Trainer. A portable VR military flight sim system for training pilots on a variety of combat aircraft, including planes and helicopters, has been created by enterprise headset manufacturer VRGINEERS. The entire system may be transported anywhere it is required because it can fit into a single huge case. The wide field of view XKELET headset from the company, a computer that can power it, and a stick and throttle setup that resembles typical combat aircraft are all included in the system, which unfolds from a single large case. According to the business, one person can set up and operate the system in 30 minutes. Partner Razbam Simulations is in charge of the simulated aircraft, which connects into Digital Combat Simulator, a well-liked flight simulator among amateurs and experts, while VRGINEERS is putting all the gear together. Number 6. XEV YOYO. The compact, inexpensive XEV YOYO electric vehicle was developed by the Italian firm XEV with city driving in mind. It can go a maximum distance of 150 kilometers at a high speed of 69 kilometers an hour. The only components not made via 3D printing are the glass, seats, and chassis. The thermoplastic polyurethane, polylactic acid, and improved nylon used in 3D printing. It uses replaceable batteries. The YOYO has a distinctive feature in that many of its parts are made via 3D printing. There is enough room inside for 2 tall people. Simple circular forms and plastic surfaces can be found throughout the room. Customers ought to have the option of having specific exterior and interior components, like the wide door panels specifically made. Enough space is provided in the basic interior for 2 people. Number 7. Pivot buoy. The European Commission's H2020 program granted the project Pivot Buoy a €4 million grant. Its main goal is to validate the pivot buoy, an innovative system that aims to lower the costs of mooring systems and floating platforms, allows faster and less expensive installation, and allows for more dependable and sustainable operation. This will reduce the levelized cost of energy of floating wind by 50%. The technology can be integrated not just in floating wind platforms employing single-point moorings systems, but also in other sectors including wave energy and tidal industries, thus having a sector-wide impact on the proposed improvements. This ends the video for today. Guys, I appreciate you watching and being there for me. Here are some excellent videos that I think you'll like. To watch the video, either click on the left or right arrow. See ya!